Okay guys, let's talk today about remote control for the Fire TV. Here I have the regular model, right? And I'm going to replace it for this new one. That's the Pro version. Pretty interesting. I have extra buttons here to control other stuff. And also it's good to be fine on the dark. And if I lose the remote control, I can also ask Alexa to find it, right? So let me show how it works, some features that I have here. Let's say, for example, I want to see my security camera. I can just press a button, okay? So if I press button number 2 here, for example, I can see my security cameras, okay? So pretty interesting. I can show you guys how to do that. I have another video here in the channel that I show how to add a camera to the Fire Stick. So you can do that with your remote control or using your voice, whatever you want. And let's see this thing also working with the light. Let me just kill the main light here. Okay, so you see that I have just the regular lights now. And I'm going to press a button here on the control that I can kill the lights. Here we go. And now let me just put this here on my bed so you can see in the dark. Okay, so you see the remote control have the feature that it leads, and you can find in the dark, you can use it in the dark. Pretty good. Depending on the movement that you do, when you like hold the remote control, you can see it leads, and it's pretty fine to find in the dark, right? And you can also ask Alexa to find your remote control. Let's check this right now. Alexa, find my remote.
Let me try to win your first remote control. This could take up to 30 seconds.
You see? Pretty nice feature, right? It finds it, you press here and it stops. Okay, so pretty good one, working pretty well with Alexa and everything else, right? And I will leave the link here for the remote control. I'll leave the link here in the description. Okay, you can go to Amazon and get yours. So thank you for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.